This is the Southside School of Financial Freedom. Welcome. The purpose of the Southside School of Financial Freedom is to provide black men, specifically ADOS men, with information to increase their financial intelligence, which can lead to their financial freedom. The school, via the website and other social media platforms, focuses on how to make money in the U.S. stock market. On the books page, there is a list of my favorite investing and trading stock market books. There are thousands of books one can read concerning improving your financial intelligence and the financial markets. The only thing that I feel comfortable recommending is to read, save, and invest. If you can learn about the financial markets and improve your financial education by not ever reading books, then go for it. If you can learn through YouTube videos, Google searches, and training courses that cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars, then go for it. Do what you have to do to gain the knowledge. If you are interested in going to the library or buying low-cost books online, then here is a list of my 15 favorite financial books. First, Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert T. Kiyosaki. Rich Dad, Poor Dad is a story of Robert growing up with two dads. His real father, the poor dad, and the father of his best friend, the rich dad, and the ways in which both men shape the author's thoughts about money and investing. The book explores the myth that you need to earn a high income to be rich, and explain the difference between working for money and having your money work for you. Number 2, Rich Dad's Cashflow Quadrant by Robert T. Kiyosaki. In Rich Dad's Cashflow Quadrant, it is revealed how some people work less, earn more, pay less in taxes, and learn to become financially free. The book explores why do some investors make money with little risk while most other investors just break even? Why do most employees go from job to job while others quit their jobs and go on to build business empires? What does the shift from the industrial age to the information age mean to you and to your family? How can you use this change to best advantage and chart your path to financial freedom? Cashflow Quadrant was written for you if you are ready to move beyond job security and begin to find your own world of financial freedom, make significant changes in your life, take control of your financial future. The main reason people struggle financially is because they have spent years in school but learned nothing about money. The result is that people learn to work for money but never learn to have money work for them. Number 3, Swimming in a Financial Ocean of Sharks and Whales by Melvin C. Dunia. This is a great comprehensive introductory book on understanding how to invest and trade in the U.S. stock market. In this book, the economy is described as water and the financial markets as a financial ocean where there are traders, sharks, and investors, whales, buying and selling stocks and other financial instruments for financial gain. The book introduces the reader to the fundamentals of understanding the stock market, starting from the evolution of an economy, its three main sectors, agriculture, manufacturing, and service, to descriptions of business formations, including how corporations are formed, to the evolution and history of the U.S. stock market, to an explanation of stocks and options, to short bios and strategies of renowned investors and traders, and it culminates in a trading strategy that produces weekly cash flow. Number 4, The Smartest Investment Book You'll Ever Read by Daniel R. Solin. This is simply a hands-on how-to and why book that is easy to read and very comprehensible. The author cuts through the financial hype to show you exactly how to invest with an easy-to-follow 4-step plan that lets you create and monitor your investment portfolio in 90 minutes or less, and put your investment earnings in the top 5% of all professionally managed money. Number 5, Why Stocks Go Up and Down by William Pike and Patrick Gregory. Why Stocks Go Up and Down is an in-depth introduction to stocks and bonds. It explains the basics of financial statement analysis, cash flow generation, stock price valuation, and more. Commonly misunderstood terms such as capitalized, equity, and diluted earnings are explained clearly. Stock evaluation methods including price-earnings ratio, price-cash flow ratio, and enterprise value. EBITDA is also covered. The book is about fundamentals. It is not an investment system or how to make $1 million in the market. The subtitle, The Book You Need to Understand Other Investment Books, says it best. That subtitle is the result of comments received from readers over many years. Number 6, The 3% Signal by Jason Kelly. This book shows you how to take the stress out of investing with a revolutionary new strategy. The 3% Signal is simple and effective. The plan can be applied to any type of account, including 401ks, and requires only 15 minutes of strategizing per quarter. That's every 3 months. No stress, no noise, no confusion. By targeting 3% growth and adjusting holdings to meet that goal, even novice investors can level the playing field and ensure a secure retirement free from the stress of noisy advice that doesn't work. The plan's simple technique cuts through the folly of human emotion by reacting intelligently to price changes and automatically buying low and selling high. Number 7, The 3 Simple Rules of Investing by Michael Edesis, Kwok El Sui, Carol Gabri, and George Peacock. The book introduces an effective investment portfolio that is also easy and inexpensive to manage. As the authors of this clear, practical, and enlightening book, part financial guide, part expose, prove, there are just 3 simple rules you need to follow and only a few very inexpensive investment products that are necessary for an ideal portfolio. The authors deftly bust investing's myths, what they call investing's 7 deadly temptations, and dispense with all that complicated, confusing, and self-serving advice of the Wall Street wolves. By embracing common sense solutions and rejecting investments that seem enticing but are overpriced, needlessly complex, and risky, you'll put not only yourself in a stronger position, but the entire economy as well. Number 8, One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. This is the seminal book on investing in which legendary mutual fund manager Peter Lynch explains the advantages that average investors have over professionals and how they can use these advantages to achieve financial success. America's most successful money manager tells how average investors can beat the pros by using what they know. According to Lynch, investment opportunities are everywhere, from the supermarket to the workplace. We encounter products and services all day long. By paying attention to the best ones, we can find companies in which to invest before the professional discover them. When investors get in early, they can find the 10 baggers, the stocks that appreciate tenfold from the initial investment. A few 10 baggers will turn an average stock portfolio into a star performer. Lynch offers easy-to-follow advice for sorting out the long shots from the no shots by reviewing a company's financial statements and knowing which numbers really count. He offers guidelines for investing in cyclical, turnaround, and fast-growing companies. Number 9, Rule Number 1 by Phil Town. In this book, self-made millionaire Phil Towns will show you how he turned $1,000 into $1 million in only 5 years, and then proceeded to make many millions more. Rule number 1, as famed investor Warren Buffett will tell you, is don't lose money. Through an intriguing process that is clarified in this book, not losing money results in making more money than you ever imagined. What it comes down to is buying shares of companies only when the numbers and the intangibles are on your side. If that sounds too good to be true, it's because the mindset you will be introduced to leads not to bets but to certainties. Part of the secret is thinking of yourself as a business owner rather than a stock investor. Part is taking advantage of today's new internet tools, which drastically reduce the homework factor. Part is knowing the only 5 numbers that really count in value in valuing a potential investment. And part, maybe the most important part, is using the risk-free Rule Number 1 approach to consistently pay a mere 50 cents to buy $1 worth of a business. Number 10, A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel. This is often recognized as the best investment guide money can buy. With over 1.5 million copies sold, it is now fully revised and updated. The new edition features fresh material on exchange-traded funds and investment opportunities in emerging markets, a brand new chapter on smart beta, the newest marketing gimmick of the investment management industry, and a new supplement that tackles the increasing complex world of derivatives. Number 11, A Beginner's Guide to Short-Term Trading by Tony Turner. The author shows you the ins and outs and ups and downs of short-term trading. You'll learn how to buy and sell stocks on a monthly, weekly, or even daily basis so you can own the right stocks at the right time. Turner's clear, common sense advice, easy to follow explanations, and helpful examples will help you invest in the exciting and profitable world of short-term trading quickly and safely. In this revised edition, you'll get completely up-to-date information on new products such as ETFs and expanded coverage on sector investing, resources for choosing an online broker, new SEC, that is Securities and Exchange Commission, rules and regulations, updated charts and graphs with current examples. A Beginner's Guide to Short-Term Trading is the hands-on book designed to get you actively involved in every step of the trading process. Now you can take control of your portfolio and secure the financial freedom you've always dreamed of. Start planning your trades today. Get rich with options by Lee Lowell is number 12. This is a detailed guide to successfully trading stocks and commodity options. After numerous years as an option market maker in the trenches of the New York Mercantile Exchange, few analysts know how to make money trading options like Arthur Lee Lowell. He shows you exactly what works and what doesn't. The book is filled with in-depth insight and expert advice. This reliable resource provides you with the knowledge and strategies needed to achieve optimal results within the options market. It quickly covers the basics before moving on to the 4 option trading strategies that have helped Lowell profit in this arena time and again. Buying deep in the money call options, selling naked put options, selling option credit spreads, and selling covered calls. He breaks down 4 of the best options trading strategies currently available. Explains how to set up a home-based business with the best option trading software tools and websites. Contains detailed discussion on how options can be used as a hedging or speculating instrument. With this book as your guide, you'll quickly see options in a whole new light and learn how to become a part of a small group of investors who constantly win. Number 13, How to Make Money in Stocks by William J. O'Neill. Through every type of market, William J. O'Neill's national bestseller, How to Make Money in Stocks, has shown over 2 million investors the secrets to building wealth. O'Neill's powerful CAN-SLIM investing system, a proven 7-step process for minimizing risk and maximizing gains, has influenced generations of investors. Based on a major study of market winners from 1880 to 2009, this expanded edition gives you proven techniques for finding winning stocks before they make the big price gains, tips on picking the best stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs to maximize your gains, 100 new charts to help you spot today's most profitable trends, plus strategies to help you avoid the 21 most common investor mistakes. Book number 14 is 401 Chaos by Andy Tanner. This is a shocking look at how employers, the government, and Wall Street have conspired to replace pension plans with 401k investment accounts that are designed to ensure workers are mostly kept in the dark about their financial retirement funds and the fees that eat away at any potential gains, as well as the associated risks of leaving someone else to invest your retirement funds in stocks. Wall Street's greed and deception are explained, and what alternatives there are to take control of your financial retirement funds. Number 15, The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This is Warren Buffett's mentor. This classic text is annotated to update the author's timeless wisdom for today's market conditions. The greatest investment advisor of the 20th century, Benjamin Graham, taught and inspired people worldwide. Graham's philosophy of value investing, which shields investors from substantial error and teaches them to develop long-term strategies, has made The Intelligent Investor the stock market Bible ever since its original publication in 1949. Over the years, market developments have proven the wisdom of Graham's strategies. While preserving the integrity of Graham's original text, the revised edition includes updated commentary by noted financial journalist Jason Zweig, whose perspective incorporates the realities of today's market draws parallels between Graham's examples and today's financial headlines, and gives readers a more thorough understanding of how to apply Graham's principles. If you read these books and others like them, you will increase your financial intelligence over time. Books provide good financial foundational information that should change your mindset about the U.S. stock market. Several of them give you specific actions and strategies for investing or trading. Hopefully, you will generate your own ideas about how you can make money in the U.S. stock market. If you want to learn how to use the U.S. stock market to become financially free, then visit the Southside School of Financial Freedom.com, where you can learn to increase your financial IQ. It is where I document my efforts to become financially free. Learn how to use your money to make money. When your money makes enough money to cover your monthly expenses every month, then you will be financially free. If you want a comprehensive understanding about business formations, companies and corporations, the stock market, the difference between investing and trading, learn about legendary stock market investors and traders, stock market theories, and a stock trading strategy that generates cash flow, then read the Southside School of Financial Freedom publication, Swimming in a Financial Ocean of Sharks and Whales: How a Small Fish Makes Money Off Wall Street. Available on lulu.com and amazon.com. Again, subscribe, like, and share, particularly share with ADOS. Thank you.